Hey, what's going on, guys? I know it's been a while since I made a video, and so I wanted to explain that. Last time we left off, I was fixing my truck because it had an oil leak, remember? And we actually fixed it. It actually stopped leaking, everything was all good, and it was running fine until the fuel pump died. I'm not sure if that was due to the previous mechanics that serviced the truck for the fuel pump. So anyway, I've been dealing with that, and it's been a while, and I still don't have my truck. So I'm waiting for it. It's been about a week now. But in between, I've been going through a lot with my business as well. I've had two big checks. Two big checks. I'm talking like $2,000-$3,000 checks that just didn't show up when they were supposed to. You know what I'm saying? So I had to call them, and I talked to them, the customers, and I explained, hey, listen, your invoice is 27 days overdue. Oh, hold on. I'm sorry. I don't know how that was overlooked. Turns out they didn't even send the checks. One person didn't even send the checks. The other person, they got to just go through, the corporate and all the red tape and just to get payments authorized and whatever. So that I had to wait for all that. In the meantime, I got one guy who I worked for. The invoice was like $700 for this guy. It was on a Sunday. He had a tractor trailer that came into Connecticut, my state. He's from Florida. And one of his trucks came into my state and broke down. I serviced it on a Sunday, mind you, at 7 o'clock at night. And, I got him going. And I gave them a call, and they're all set. They made it to their destination. I called a week later and said, "Hey, how did the repair go?" They said everything's fine. So I thought everything was all good, and then I checked my QuickBooks. I was doing my accounting, and they freaking did a chargeback. They said that the payment was unauthorized. So I go to call the guy, and I'm talking to him, and the dude just hangs up the phone once I told him that he's being recorded as Danny's Mobile Welding. Listen, I just want to let you know you're being recorded. This is for invoice number 1076. Why did you say that payment was unauthorized? Click. Yeah. So with all that, I've been like living off of like credit, basically. You know what I'm saying? Using my Discover It card. Thank goodness for that. I'm glad they gave me a chance, and they boosted my credit up to like $1,500 from, well, I think I put in $250 for a secure credit card. And anyway, it doesn't matter. What matters is that the credit line came through, and it helped me basically stay afloat this whole time while I'm waiting for the big check to come in. Because mind you, remember, I got to get my truck out the shop. That's going to cost a lot of money. And you're probably wondering, well, where's all the money that's in your business? And the answer is, it's being allocated to different places. I've been investing in the stock market. I've been investing heavily in tools. I just got the Ranger 330 MPX. That kind of drained me up front. You know what I'm saying? I just made the purchase, and then the truck broke down 2 days later, So it left me in a pretty messed up position, but you know what I'm saying? We keep moving forward. Here's one thing I want to show you guys, though. This vehicle I've had for about, 2 years now. And it's been sitting for a little bit, but this is what started this right here. Old Faithful. It's an early 99 7.3 liter. And it's basically what got me started. It's been sitting here for about like 5 months. Yeah. It's F250. Early 99 7.3 liter with a service body. It's not in the best shape. Yeah, got welding leads. I'm surprised that didn't get stolen. I'm surprised that didn't get stolen. I'm surprised none of this stuff got stolen. Look, this is a good piece of steel right here. I forgot I had this in here. I'm gonna use that. This was like $300. I remember I got this from a job and it was just extra. $300. That was their mistake, not mine. So, yeah, I just wanted to fill you guys in while I was in the area, show you guys the 073, and let you know that I'm still in this for the long haul. I ain't going nowhere. So stay tuned, subscribe, because the situation will get better. The situation will get better. It has to. All right, guys, have a good one. Peace.